Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to create our Pull Transcripts from Videos template from scratch. This flow generates a transcript from a video based on the provided URL. It extracts the text from these captions, providing you with a clear transcript of the video's content. First, head over to the My Flows tab and create a new flow. You can name the flow as you wish and add a description. After that, you'll be directed to the Templates page, but since we want to build this flow manually, you can close that tab. Now, you'll be greeted by your canvas. This is where all flows are created. The first step in our flow creation journey is adding the fundamental components: the input, which is the user's query, and the output, which is the chatbot's response to that query. All components between the input and output shape the chatbot's response into the desired output. Let's get started by adding our first component. We'll begin with URL Retriever, which enables our chatbot to access and analyze and extract the transcript in the inputted YouTube URL. Next, we'll link the URL Retriever to the output, completing the setup. And that's it! We've successfully created the Pull Transcripts from Videos template. If you have any questions about this flow, feel free to reach out or drop them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.